The sixth season of the Premier Lacrosse League culminates this Sunday in Philadelphia with the championship game. Viewership continues to grow, as does the sport itself, which will be part of the Los Angeles Olympic Games in 2028, of course, on the networks of NBC and Peacock. Paul Rabel is the league's co-founder and president, joins us live from the New York Stock Exchange. I'm sorry that I'm not there with you, but it's great to have you with me.
It's great to be back with you, Scott, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in Philadelphia at the game.
What exactly are you expecting this weekend?
Well, we're expecting a big crowd, a live broadcast on ABC at 3 p.m. on Eastern time, and we've eventized the weekend. So we have our end-of-year awards on Friday. We're running a street lacrosse event, which we built with Kevin Durant, Rich Kleiman, investors of the PLL. We have our founders dinner, then the big game. So it's a culminating moment for any league.
I mentioned viewership being up. Your semifinal was the most watched game in the history of your league.
Yeah.
Why is that? What's happening?
Well, I would say audience growth, one. And then two, if you look at the proliferation of streaming, part of it is due to leagues deciding to go exclusive on the platform. So we saw it with Peacock in an NFL playoff game. And if you revisit old times of cable, when ESPN2 launched, one of the big turns in the 90s was putting UNC versus Duke basketball on there. So leagues in partnership with networks have to make those bets, and you hope those bets are right. In our case, it was the most streamed game we've ever had. So we're looking forward to seeing those numbers continue to grow.
You founded your league basically on the idea of a touring model, right, rather than having teams in home cities. You would think that you would need home cities to generate more fandom. In fact, there's been enough popularity and growth in the game that you've been able to kind of overcome that. Where are you on that, touring versus home teams?
Well, the touring model looks more similar to F1, UFC, WWE, tennis, and golf than it does traditionally football, basketball, or baseball. And we took a pretty practical look at the lacrosse audience size when we started. It was 15 million. Now we're at 46 million. We're still touring, but this was our first year where we took our 8 home teams into cities, and we've been touring in those markets. The next iteration might look like a traditional home and away model where we would be considering selling those teams to individual ownership groups. I think pro sports at a high level are about attention, aggregated across platforms, revenue, digging in and building community, and then real estate.
What about the Olympics? We're obviously excited about it, given the fact that NBC and the networks of NBC, Peacock, et cetera, broadcast the Olympics. What are the Olympics going to mean for your sport?
Oh, well, massive, Scott. As you know, it was a huge lift this past summer in Paris for NBC. I think the games were up on average about 86% compared to the Tokyo games. They were getting about 30 million people during that 2 to 5 o'clock window just in America watching, which is unbelievable exposure. That's football level exposure for emerging sports. So lacrosse was once in the Olympics in 1904, 1908. We're now back. So credit to Casey Wasserman and his team and folks like Joe Ty and Jim Shear on ours to sort of move us back into that direction. So if we look at where we're at now in 2024, where we're going to be in 2028, a lot of those changes to our touring model might happen between then, as well as a new media rights deal as we look beyond next year.
Yeah, I mean, when you look at the media rights deals that have been done recently, I mean, the NBA most specifically, because it's the most recent deal that was done, what do you take from that as you look to your own?
I think sports are just becoming more and more important and likely the best investment that a media company can make. And I'll tell you why. You have your MVPDs, your cable service providers, and now your virtual MVPDs in YouTube and Hulu Live, which are giving these networks affiliate fees. And to have a live sport, you're going to see higher affiliate fees to the network. Number two is advertising. So when you look at live sports, their appointment watching television, entertainment is no longer that because of streaming. A consumer like myself and you can watch whenever we want. Television is in about 60 million homes today on the cable side. That's still a $60 billion advertising business. I think it's been more reconciliation than attrition if you look at ratings from a sports standpoint, because sports fans are still showing up to television. The third is direct to consumer. Streaming numbers are growing. And then the last one is if you have sports and sports IP, you can create original programming where you either distribute and grow your subscription base, support your advertisers, or license like a lot of the folks at Warner Media are doing.